In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your document, ask for the kind of summary you want, and fine-tune the results so it fits your purpose, whether that's a quick overview or focused study notes. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser or app. On the chat screen, look for the paperclip or upload button. Click it, navigate to your PDF, and select the file. You'll see a confirmation in the chat once the file is attached. Give it a moment to process, especially if your PDF is large or image heavy. It helps to make sure you've picked the correct version of the document before you proceed. If you're working with sensitive material, consider sharing only what you're comfortable summarizing. Once the PDF is uploaded, give a clear and direct prompt. The more specific you are, the better the results. You can say, "Summarize this PDF in 5 bullet points." If you need a breakdown by sections, try "Give me a short summary of each chapter." For accessible language, use "Explain this PDF in simple terms." And if you're studying, "Summarize this document for a college student" sets the right level. You can also specify length and tone, like asking for 2 paragraphs or a neutral, professional voice. Now choose the summary style that matches your goal. A short summary is perfect when you need a quick overview for a fast decision or a meeting. A detailed summary offers a section-by-section explanation that's great for deep understanding without reading everything line by line. A bullet point summary highlights key takeaways so you can scan the main ideas at a glance. An executive summary is a polished, professional overview designed for stakeholders who want impact and recommendations quickly. And study notes turn the content into simplified learning material with definitions, main arguments, and concise explanations that make review easier. After you receive the first draft, refine it with follow-up instructions. If it's too long, say, "Make it more concise." If it missed something, ask to emphasize a specific section or theme. You can also request clearer language, more examples from the text, or a different format, like switching from paragraphs to bullet points or vice versa. Think of this as an iterative process. Upload the PDF, ask for a targeted summary, then steer the output until it matches what you need. That's it. Simple, flexible, and fast. Upload your PDF, give a precise prompt, choose your summary style, and refine as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing with ChatGPT.